is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well today. Forgive me. Before we get started, I gotta apologize. I had to move my entire setup again. I'm on my laptop up in my little spare office that I have in my home because I have tree service today, cutting down a whole bunch of big old trees right next to my studio that I have set up that is detached from my primary house. So again, guys, I just want to apologize if things are kind of off. I feel a little bit off, but that's what's going on today. We're in a new little space. We've transferred things as best as we possibly can. Let me know, guys. Does everything sound okay? Does everything look okay? Are we okay? Is everything okay? How are we doing here, guys? With that being said, my name is Tank. This is the IBC Gang YouTube channel. We're going to be talking about everything that's happening in the Cosmos ecosystem as well as the rest of the cryptoverse and traditional markets because, you know, we just got to right now. We're in a bear market. We got to cover everything. Before I get into everything, if you guys would, do me a huge favor though. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Admittingly, I am trying to grow. I am trying to reach more cosmonauts. I am trying to reach more people out there to hopefully provide them a benefit of some sorts when I stream here. And I can only do that with your guys' support from the ground up the right way, guys. We can only grow organically, right? I've been telling you guys, that's our commitment. We're going to do this the right way. So please do me a huge favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, I'm so bad. I'm so behind right now in today's stream. I haven't even tweeted anything out right now, guys. Let me actually tweet this out real quick. Join me as we are live now. Oops. Now on YouTube. What's up, B? What's up, Bren? What's up, B? What's up, guys? What's up, Blue? You're my boy, Blue. What am I saying? I was gonna type Blue. No. You are my boy, though, Blue. Why doesn't it just have YouTube? Come on, what? Really? YouTube down. YouTube down. No, it's not. There, I'm just gonna do it my way. I'm doing it my way. We're gonna keep this short and simple. Yeah. Wait, I didn't even copy that. Hold on. See, guys, I'm so off today. Stop it. I know. I'm so off, guys. Everything. I'm doing my best. We'll get to it in just a second. We'll get to it in just a second. IBC Gang. That's me right down there. That's right. That's everybody. That's everybody, man. Guys, we're going to talk about some things. Some things you guys need to know. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom. There we go. Look at that ugly thumbnail too. I did my best, guys. This is on my laptop. I did my best. Okay? Don't judge me. I did my best. Here we go. Guys, do me a favor. Retweet that for me. Let everybody else know that we are live right now. Whew. Look at me stumbling all over the place. Guys, what's up, Opa? Let me go ahead and give you guys some love real quick because you guys know it's all about you. Name dot 3 4-leaf clovers. That's what I'm talking about. Bring me some luck. What's going on? What's going on, Ab? What's up, Jeremy? What's up, David? What's up, Blue? What's up, Opa? What's up, Chad? Bren, what's going on, buddy? Matt Miller, Stride, what's going on, man? Dave, Moore, IBC Mafia, guys, the crew. I hope you guys are all doing well today. Hopefully you guys watched the stream yesterday where I told you guys that I wouldn't get too happy just yet with what's happening in the market. You know, we had a little bit of a bounce. We had a little bit of a rally. But let's take a look right now at the immediate short term. Of course, we're on the daily for Bitcoin's chart. We're using MarketCypher as our primary oscillator and indicator tool. But as I say short term, let's just zoom in is what I mean by that. Let's zoom in and check out what's going on the daily chart for Bitcoin. You see this line right here? That's the 200 SMA strategy, the same strategy line that I've been telling you guys is a good place to start DCAing for Bitcoin's price just based on the 200 SMA strategy. But again, I'm not going to get into all of that right now. But look, guys, look over the past couple of days, ever since, let me see here, when we actually dipped down. Actually, let's just go all the way back. From the 9th of this month, we basically have come back up and retested this rejection line right here, like for the whole month. We dipped down into it with the Terra thing. We'll just call it a thing. We tried to rally, rejection, came back down, tried to rally a few times in between all that, came back down, tried to rally again. Nope, came back down. And right now, guys, short term, this is our immediate level of resistance that we need to overcome in order for us to sustain a bullish posture of any sort whatsoever. We are in a bear market. Anybody that's saying, like, look, I was really bored. I was watching a couple of other YouTubers, bigger YouTubers than myself, well-known YouTubers, that were saying that they didn't believe that we were in a bear market, that we were just in a bull run, in a bearish position. I was like, what smoke, what kind of happy smoke are you toking on? I got to watch what I say on YouTube because, they're going to get me. But don't let anybody tell you anything different. We're in a bear market. We're definitely in a bear market. Like, that's just clickbait. Like, straight up. Period. If I have to zoom out, again, let me show you guys. Like, I'm just telling y'all. Now, we've been in a bear market. I'll actually say we've been in a crab market, if you want to call it that. I'm even okay with calling it that. Ever since we actually made our double peaks right here, guys. You can call it what you want, whatever. But when you dip down from the high, let's see, from this high, actually, this isn't going to be exact, to where we are right now. When you dip down 55%, and then when you dip down from this high, granted it's, roundabouts, give or take 57, almost 60%. No, you definitely didn't start at a bear market. Like you're not in a healthy position whatsoever. You're going sideways, which is fine with me. I don't mind. Everybody in the Cosmos ecosystem who is in proof of stake networks that are staking some of their assets, you shouldn't mind the sideways action either. I know if you guys bought on the top down here or up here, you guys might be saying differently, but it's still sideways action is time to compound, to accumulate your assets, right? Like it is what it is. The real tank. By the way, yes, I don't know how I feel about this, guys. In our Discord yesterday, sometime in the evening, it was made aware to me and everybody else that there was a scammer trying to scam people on Discord, pretending to be me, sending out private messages to everybody in our Discord. First and foremost, I said it in my Discord. Let me say it again for the record. I will never ask you for anything. I don't need anything from you guys at all. I do this at a net loss for my time and I promise you, I don't make nothing from YouTube or anything like that. Like I'm at a net loss for providing and doing what I do here. I do this because I genuinely want you guys to be in the positions that I'm in and also some other people are in. And I don't want you guys to be wrecked. I believe in the Cosmos ecosystem. I believe wholeheartedly that interoperability is the key. I do this because I genuinely care about you guys, and I want to give more than I'll ever receive, whether it be a byproduct of me being genuine and transparent and being self-sacrificial or whatever you want to say. Point of it all is I'm never going to ask you guys for anything, period, ever, never, ever, unless like I some crazy way run a node someday and I like say you guys can delegate to me, but I'm never even going to ask you guys for delegations either. I will never ask you for anything. So if anybody ever pretends to be tank and ask you guys for something or ask you guys crazy stuff like, hey, do you trade or do you like wearing pink pajamas or whatever it is? That's not me. It's not me. I don't care about all that stuff. I don't want it. I don't need it. You can wear whatever you want to wear either. I think pink is a hell of a color. Like I'm just telling you guys right now, anybody ever, what's up DPR? Anybody ever ask you guys for any of that stuff? That is not me. I'm flattered beyond belief that people even think that it's worth their time to like pretend that they are me. But just for your guys' protection, again, one last time, I'm never going to ask you guys for anything ever. Period. So yeah. You can ask all you like. I'm Scrooge McDuck. I love Scrooge McDuck. One of my favorite characters in Disney. What's up, DPR? What's going on, Rockin' Ape? BitSource, what's going on, guys? Snoop, what's up? Snoop, Fozzie, what's going on, man? But yeah, guys. Oliver, what's going on, buddy? But yeah, please. And if you guys see that guy, I looked for him in our Discord, by the way. Couldn't find him anymore. Like, just call him out. Say he's got cooties that nobody wants, right? Call him out, guys. Call him out. Anyway, guys, yeah, going back to Bitcoin, though, like, it is what it is, guys. Don't believe the FUD. Don't believe all these narratives that people are telling you on other... I know it's kind of ironic because, I'm on social media, too. I'm on YouTube. But, like, these people that are feeding you guys BS, that are not actually, like, showing you guys facts that are actually happening outside of our TA or our cryptoverse or whatever you want to call it, like if they're not showing you like what the feds are doing, what global like economic situations are happening and stuff like that, like cut them off, cut them off. What did Crown Chakra had a song? Cut them off, cut them off. They don't know what they're talking about. They're just anybody can hodl. No, you don't like. Anyway, just wanted to kind of stress that. I was kind of upset when I was watching some of those YouTubers and I was like, you guys are telling people that we're in a bull market? Are you serious? Like, bro, what? Anyway, going back into it, I'm going to stop ranting a little bit, guys. But going back into it, I'm going to show you guys for this short, immediate term on Bitcoin's chart. Again, we're on the daily. We're using market suffer right now. Forget even looking at the lower section of the charts. I want to show you guys this 200 SMA strategy, 36.45% total average move down below this yellow line right here. Once the yellow line does not hold up as support, excuse me, that's a red line, below this yellow line right here. Once it doesn't hold up as support, guys, that is on average, if you go all the way back here and look at all the measurements I've taken, that is on average what and where we should be starting to see some flooring happening on Bitcoin's price action or on the charts. Now, that's not saying that that's a bottom. That's what I've been saying, a good section to start DCAing. That would be like my first buy. And then if it goes down lower, again, all the way down to 20, maybe even 15,000, whatever, you're still DCAing. This is just where I've been telling you guys is a good section to start DCAing, not a flooring position. But until we get back above that level, like we're still in a downtrend, or we're still just going kind of sideways in this consolidation phase that we've been in. Now, I will say that going back about a year and a little bit more, this section where we're at right now is critical that we need to keep. We definitely need to keep this right now on Bitcoin's chart. If we go down below that, guys, it's real simple. If you guys don't know, the VPVR, gosh, I'm stuttering all over the place. It's just basically an easy way to look on the charts of where previous support is on the charts. Now let me kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. You see this on the wall right here, this jetting out section on the wall right here? This section right here, let me see if I can make this easier. You see how it jets out right here? We have strong support. This is showing us strong support. And then look how there's like this big gaping section or dent in the wall right here. That means we could free fall quite easily back to like 20K. Like this line right here that I've been holding on my chart. This is the next level of real support that we actually have if we fall from here. So we could easily fall all the way down there real fast. Real fast, guys. So again, we need to hold this level right here. I'm of the thinking that we probably will fall, to be honest with you. Am I sweating it? No. Like, I think this is a good level of support. I mean, it's been tested quite a few times now. If you guys, actually, let me go ahead and take this off. If you guys look, what is it? If you guys want to call this like 2, this is like basically it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I would say 4 actually, and now 5 times. But then on the flip side of that, the more times you test support and a resistance, the more likely you are to break through it. So again, not good that we keep banging on support. It is good support, but it's not good. So just be ready, guys. Just be ready. Let me look at the feed real quick and have me some coffee. This is my present for Father's Day. Best dad ever. I love this mug. Heats up my coffee. Great. For sure, Tank Beat got you. Always fun to mess this guy. Yeah. Get them, guys. If they come back in there, get them. Crypto cannot be decoupled from the rest of the world. Nope. There's only so much. And like one day, maybe as far like, and I don't even want to say that with conviction either. Like, it's all depending on how you're applying that conversation. Like one day, yeah, crypto will be, will break away from maybe some other traditional assets and stuff like that in a sense. But I do want to give you guys the real take on how the world works. There's only so much money in the world, right? And there's only so much investors, and there's only so much that you can stir a pot. Like the only thing that ever happens in any of these markets is that liquidity or assets transfer. That's why they call it like being cyclical, like really that, and that's not just in the crypto market. That's the same way with like stock markets and anything else that's out there. It just turns. It's just a vicious wheel, dudes. It kind of, it rotates. That's all it is. But yeah, it one day will kind of break away, but if the stock market dumps, like, we're gonna dump, and everything else is gonna dump. Like, that's just how it is, guys. So, don't like dive into that deep section of the pool where people are like, one day crypto is gonna decouple and all this other stuff. Yeah, maybe to some extent, but like, again, not fully ever. There's only so much money. Like, the money's money, no matter how you want to disguise it, whether it's in crypto, whether it's in fiat, whether it's in precious metals. Like, value is value, and you can store it however you want, but like, again, there's only so much value that's going to be in that pool. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that's in trading and stuff like that. So just kind of want to put that out there for you guys. Like, yeah, I get it. But like, guys, I've been doing this for a long time. Like, there's only really so much that moves in this pool. You can put it all in one pot. You can really put it all in one pot. Any kind of value asset or value source, like, just put it all in one pool. Stop trying to like separate that stuff, because it's real. That it's honest to God real. Until the likes of like Grayscale and those big higher ups, like real market movers, crumble, which is never going to happen. Like, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm kind of ranting here, guys. Let's move on. We're going to talk about Ethereum real quick and see how it's holding up. I'm so off put, guys. Everything is crazy. Like, since you move me into another place and I just start getting all crazy. 1935. Look where we are, guys. 200 SMA strategy. For everybody that's new here, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe. Hit that bell notification. I promise you, you can ask anybody else that's been here, hopefully listening to me. I've been sharing this information for a long time, and look where we are. And if you guys have all been listening, you guys would be in great positions. I know what happened with UST was unfortunate, but if you guys were diverse, even with your guys' capital, you guys would be in great positions. I've been calling these levels, again, for Bitcoin and Ethereum for forever, telling you guys that if it comes down to here, that this would be a good place to start DCAing. Look where we are. If you guys are patient, this is a patience person's game. I don't want to say just man's. And if you're patient in this game, you will be highly rewarded for being patient, guys. Look, we wicked down to this level, even to down where our current resistance was. I projected it all the way out. Look how it hit it perfectly right here with what happened with USD. A lot of people were DMing me saying like these 200 SMA strategies were BS, that they take too long. It's never going to get there. Oh, really? Oh, really? Because look where we are, my friends. Again, Ethereum, I'm just going to, again, Bitcoin, look where we are. This is just your first DCA. This doesn't mean anything if you guys have been listening to me on this channel, right? It doesn't mean anything. This is your feeler buy. Your first DCA is your feeler buy, your fear of missing out. You're I'm just going to get my toes wet because everybody else is kind of doing it. But if something happens, it's not going to really affect me. I've been telling you guys this for forever. Now look where we are. Ethereum, boom, we're right there. And if you guys have been patient and you guys are, wanting to stack more, this is a great opportunity. We're right above it right now. And I'm still watching to see if this line holds up. I'm still watching them to see if this line holds up. And then also, I'm going to project this out a little bit further. Now, if we dip down for Ethereum, guys, and break through this line, ETH 2.0 is coming. Sound money, ultrasound money, as they say. I find it really hard that we could dip down to here again, which is 1,500. But if we do, I'll buy here, and I'll wait, and I'll see what happens. It's not going to be a V-shaped recovery, but, it's a patient person's game. That's what it is. It's a patient person's game, and you got to have patience. You can't front run the market. You got to wait for the train to fully stop. You got to wait for the market to tell you what it wants to do and tell you what station it wants to stop at. Don't front run the train, because that's how you're going to get ran over. Let me know what you guys think about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't really feel like I need to sit around and talk about it all too much. I've said it so long, and now we're at where we are. Hopefully you guys have just been paying attention. So Stargaze is so much fun. Yeah, I love Stargaze. Catch up with chat. Agreed. I've never been interested in NFTs, but I was buying and selling them lately. Yeah, you guys are going crazy. Brent says, IBC Mafia, I'm not even into NFTs, but the Stargaze marketplace is so good. Guys, I've been bullish on Stargaze. It's unfortunate what's been happening with price action, but we'll get into that in just a minute. Dry powder running low, DPR says, no. No. What's so good about Stargaze? I actually haven't explored it. It's smooth, J2000. Smooth. It gets the job done. It's yeah. I mean, once they start loading on some extra, little mechanisms and stuff like that on their platform. Ooh, telling you, they're going to be killer. Carbon neutral. Yep. Cheap fees. Any miscellaneous bras in the chat? I know what you're trying to say. Stop it. You mirroring it? You mirroring my my crypto? IBC Jet because I haven't used any others. I have. I like Stargaze. Anyway, I'm gonna move into Atom real quickly, guys. Atom. Again, here's our levels that we've been looking at. Okay, here's our levels that we've been looking at. Right here, based on, and then I made some adjustments and stuff like that. Based on our wedge pattern, you guys know this is how I did it. Again, if you guys are new to the stream, this is how I got here. I basically saw the wedge pattern that we were in, took that wedge pattern, excuse me, I can't even speak today. Took that, measured it from where we broke. It's not perfect. Or maybe I measured it from there, give or take, whatever it was. Yeah, it's about there. Yeah, from when we started breaking down here. And as you guys can see, that measurement from the opening right here, from that wedge pattern, gave me a place to actually take a Fibonacci retracement. I took that fib retracement and I did it in reverse. I placed it down here, went all the way back up to where we started breaking back down. And that's how I got these fib lines. Now, let me kind of show you guys where we are on the fib lines for Atom, because this is our favorite golden child, right? And nobody says they have favorites. If you're a parent, I have favorites. I'm not going to lie. Atom's my favorite. But this is where we're at right now, guys. Look, we came down to the golden pocket right here, which is the 0.665 to the 0.618. Bounced back up. Now, this was even with the UST fear, guys. And we bounced and got rejected. We've been getting rejected off the 0.5, which is right around $11.70 to about $12. That is our current level of resistance. If you guys want to know, I'll just go ahead and put this here. This is our current level of resistance right through here. Boom. That's our level of resistance that we need to conquer. This is our level that we need to stay above right here in order for us to remain in a bullish posture, or a, crabbish posture, whatever you want to call it, a neutral posture, until shared security comes along and all this other stuff. Right now, though, I mean, man, this is a good buy. If you guys haven't bought Atom, $10 and below, like, again, just a great buy. You guys know I love starting my DCA. I didn't do this because, price action was dipping down and I was actually on vacation. But I like buying on my fibs on the 0.382. But, sometimes you got to adjust that. Again, I bought a little bit here. I bought a little bit down here. I'm reinforcing. I got a good bag of Atom. It's done me really, really well. It's far in profits. So I'm just waiting for, key levels to dip down further. And admittingly, again, not financial advice, but if it gives me this golden pocket, again, I'm going to make my another buy here for Atom, and then I'm going to make another buy here on the 0.786 for Atom. There's never enough Atom. I don't care what anybody says. There's never enough Atom that I can't get my hands on. And again, if it gives me the dollar real fear, like total sell-off, everybody's dying off and stuff like that situation, I'm definitely buying on the dollar. So I have 3 more buys that I'm going to do short-term here. And again, that's not going to really affect my capital, as far as like what I have allocated for these investments long-term. So I'll buy here, I'll buy here, and I'll buy here. And if you guys give me this, I'm going to be the whale that you guys talk about and that you guys know. And so we'll have good parties and good times going forward if that's the situation. But yeah, guys, that's what I got right now for Atom. That's the levels that I'm looking for. Let's go on into secret. I'm becoming a secret bull. Admittingly, guys, the more and more I'm into the ecosystem, the more and more I just can't help but get giddy like a little schoolgirl about it. Guys, right now we're in this wedge pattern on the daily. And anytime now we're going to actually break probably down from it. And to be honest with you, if we're looking at this, again, forgive all the lines here. If we're looking at this right here, again, the way you measure this, right, is from the opening. I don't know how I want to actually do this, but hell, we'll just do this, right? Yeah, we'll do this candle right here. From the opening there, give or take. If we break down, guys, we could get $1.61. That is where we'll probably bounce. But again, if we get right here, let me zoom back out. Yeah, let me fix everything again. Sorry, laptop problems, guys. Laptop problems. Can you guys see this right here? Hopefully you guys can see this right here. See, if we break out of this wedge pattern right here and we come back down, we're going to get close to this 0.382. Again, that's where I really like to start DCAing on my fibs. And again, I have a 200 SMA strategy, which is this white line right here that I've been waiting for. But Secret and everything that's happening in the Secret ecosystem has been, like, admittingly, really, really building up as far as like bullishly posturing itself within their own ecosystem to explode more to the upside than I think to the downside. So even if we get a sell-off, I find it really, really highly unlikely that we actually come down to maybe the 0.382. So what I'm going to do, not financial advice, guys, is I will buy above the 0.382. I will put another order here right around 160 to 170. And that will be my first DCA. So I'm going to move that a little bit admittingly and be my first DCA right around here. And then what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to buy a little bit down below my 382 favorite fib line and my 200 SMA strategy, and right in between this 5 and all of those other lines here, that'll be my second buy. If it gives it to me, I'm going to buy the golden pocket because that's a duh moment. And then, of course, if we get the real sell-off, the real fear, if the Feds really just hammer down, you know, if China tries to invade Taiwan, if Russia really goes crazy, if nothing goes great with the ports in Shanghai and China and all that other stuff, like if things really go south, I'm going to buy, again, the 786 here, and then I'll make a fifth buy, which is totally not normal for me, but I'll make a fifth buy if I absolutely have to right here at the 1, which is a little bit below $1. Bet your life I will, again, be another whale, even in the Secret ecosystem. You guys, give me these chances to buy and be whales, like, and I consider whales like 50,000 of an asset or more, not money-wise, but like of the asset or more, just because what happened with Juno. Like, I will become the whale. I promise you. I have that much capital. I will. Like, next bull run, you guys will be like, damn it, Tank. Damn it, Tank. And I'll be like, told you. Like, I'm being dead serious about that, guys. Being dead serious. Speaking of Secret, want to give you guys some heads up, though. And I'm going to go back and double back, but I do want to give you guys some heads up. Tomorrow, we have the guys at Hydro Finance, which is a project within the Secret ecosystem, coming on the stream to talk about their project. I'm really, really excited about that, guys. I have them coming on board, so I'm looking forward to that. If you guys want to know more about Hydro Finance, I will actually put this in the link for you guys. Do your own homework. This is not me giving you guys financial advice at all, but it is super interesting. This is their link here. You can also see that they do have, this was kind of, I'll admit, guys, Hydro, I know you guys are going to be on the stream tomorrow, but I guess I can't wait to ask this. Like, I do want to know your thoughts about, you know, having your guys' airdrop and all that stuff still with Luna. But I mean, I guess there's still Luna like 2.0. So like, I guess I'll save that for tomorrow. But you guys can look at, don't do it now. Don't you guys dare leave right now. Don't leave. Wait for later to click this stuff. I'm just giving you guys the information right now. But if you guys want to look into that, I'm super excited to have them on the show. We'll talk about more of what they have going on in the Secret ecosystem and on their platform tomorrow. But I want to kind of give you guys a heads up. I do want to show you guys the crypto. Let me actually update this. Fear and Greed Index. It's at a 12. It was recently at a 10 and an 8. So we are doing a little bit better. I would like to see this come up to a little bit of like maybe a 15 or so. But I do think, like I said, with the Fed doing what they're going to do probably next month, guys, you know, we've been talking about that. I do think that they're going to probably hit us with like a 50 or maybe even a 75 basis point rate hike. So I wouldn't be surprised if I see that come back down to a 10. But a 10 is a good place to maybe start DCAing, guys. That's you buy when people are fearful, and you sell when people are greedy. Not telling you guys what to do, but you know, there's a reason why that's a saying. I do want to kind of bring this up. I thought this was kind of funny. The Fed reports find most Americans who own crypto tend to be high income holders or hodlers. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I know I'm pretty well off, but like the majority of people that I know on a day-to-day basis, when I go rolling, when I go to the gym and stuff like that, like I want to say they're worse off, or like I know they're probably like middle income kind of families, or maybe even like paycheck to paycheck kind of individuals, but they ask me more than high net worth individuals about crypto. So where, I don't know, like I'd like to see where you're getting this from, because I know you know, any data can be skewed any which way you want it to go based on who's compiling the data and how you present it. So you know, I don't know how much I believe the Fed about this. Whatever, just want to kind of point that out. Moist finance. Hydro finance. Moist finance. How'd you guys feel about that moist cake? Let's get into some other talking points that I am really, really excited. I'm going to make an actual video, a detailed video talking about this next one for you guys. Now, I know we just had our snapshot for the Golan airdrop or GNOT. But I know, admittingly, a lot of you guys probably have no freaking idea about what Jay's trying to build and what it's all about. Like, I mean, like, come on, guys. I'll put you guys on the spot right now. Put a 1 in chat if you actually understand what Jay is doing, what GNOT or Golan is all about. I put a 2 if you're going to be completely honest and go, I really have no idea. I'll wait. I know there's a delay. I'll sip my coffee while I wait. Be honest with me. How many of you guys actually know what it's all about, like the ins and outs of what it is? Because I'm going to make a video explaining to you guys at least what I know. And then I'm going to actually say, hey, Jay, I would love to have you on the channel. I know you don't do it, but I would love to just give you a platform where it's open. You say whatever you want to say about whatever situation you want to say, but I want to primarily talk about, you know, your project Golan. I would love to have you on the platform. I would love to just take an hour of your time, if you will, sir. I know you're very busy, and present it to everybody in a way that they can understand it better. I'm going to try to do my best and make a video. But Jay, I would love to have you on. I know you were on Cryptocitos, but I would love to have you on our channel and just, you know, shoot the breeze with you. Let everybody know, again, why I'm super bullish for what you're working on and why you're super bullish and passionate about your opinions and what you got going on over there. So, guys, you know what we'll do? We're going to put it out. We're going to put it out on the tweet. We're going to try to get Jay on. But I need you guys' support. You guys don't know. Like, I get a little giddy even talking about that. Guys, you guys got to understand, I'm a super big cosmonaut. Like, Jay's and Buckman is like, they're the parents of the baby that I love so much. Right? Like, it'd be, I don't get giddy with most people, but I would be honored to have them on the show. So I'm going to need your guys' support, guys. I'm going to need your guys' support. Let's get Jay on the show so he can talk about everything. Yeah, see, okay, right there. Brent says 3. I love the honesty, Brent. But yeah, so that's like my point. Like, I know like most people don't really fully understand 69-bit says what Golan is or GNOT's all about. And so we're going to talk about that in a, you know what? Should it be a live stream where we have you guys on live? We can have everybody on, or do you guys want me to make a dedicated video talking about it? Letting you guys know what I know. Or should we just bombard Jay and just be like, come on, Jay. Come on, Jay. You're our boy, Blue. You got to come on the show. Support granted. I appreciate it. Yeah, dude, that would be so cool to have Jay on. Like you know, unfiltered. Of course, I'm not going to talk about anything that he doesn't want to talk about, but just give him the space to just go, right? No pun intended. Maybe I did intend to do that. No, I didn't, but I'm going to use that. Yeah, just let him go. Land. Yeah, I tried to do it. All right, guys, let's move on. Let's move on. With that, you know what? I was going to talk about it right here, but I'm not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about that with Golan in another video. But we're going to explain to you guys everything about that. Let's do both. Let's do both, ABC. Dedicated video, and let's I'm not trying to be a fly or a mosquito to him, but like I'm going to shoot my shot. I'm going to try to see if I can't get him on. That would be such a privilege to have him on. Yeah. Bring out the production value, bro. Okay. For that one, I definitely will. I'll try my best. I know I'm ranting right now. Getting giddy like a little school. It's like I'm 5 again, and I know I'm going to get like a NES or something like that. Yeah, you guys probably didn't even get NESs. I got an NES. That's how old I am, guys. I got one of the very first NESs when it first came out. I was playing all kinds of stupid stuff. Anyway, talk about pylons, guys. I want to give you guys some heads up. If you guys don't know what they're all about, definitely check them out. Check them out here on Twitter. They have a test net that is incentivized, so check them out. You guys know I'm all about it, especially in bear markets. Right now is the time to go get cooties, guys. Go play on test nets, especially if they're incentivized. Go play on test nets. Go get some cooties. Let them know how things look. I mean, you might as well earn something while you learn something, right? Like, go out there and do that, guys. Check them out. I want to give Pylons a shout out. Matter of fact, I actually a little bit of alpha. Ooh, oh my gosh. Am I putting myself on the spot here? All right, a little bit of alpha for you guys, okay? So you guys know that I had Jacob from Notional on the stream, where we were talking about not too long ago how I actually have in my possession. I guess I submitted. I guess you always want to call it. It's not like I did it for the protection of the people, but I'll get to that in a minute. My point. I actually have a trademark for the IBC gang, and I want to incorporate it somehow into the cryptoverse. I want to incorporate it into governance somehow for the people, so that, like I've always said, what I do here is always going to have a way to be benefiting the people of IBC, of the Cosmos ecosystem. So I'm working on, and I have been working on for a long time. It's very difficult actually to do certain things self-sacrificially sometimes. I don't know, like, I'll try to explain that in some other ways. But anyway, I've been working on a way to maybe incorporate it. Remember how they were trying to do like the DAO to what was it called? It was like the most recent DAO, guys. It was the DAO to buy the I'm drawing a blank, and I'm from the US. The Constitution, a copy of the Constitution. I don't know if this would actually work, and I want to get Pylons in on this, and Jacob as well, and some other key figures. My original thoughts was to submit it to the Osmosis governance or community, because I think that that's one of the best communities to look at. But I want to see if we can't actually maybe make it an NFT, and then also create a DAO to where the hashtag or the IBC, the hashtag IBC or the term IBC gang would be owned by all who are part of the DAO, and everybody therefore within could help promote all of the IBC therefore within the Cosmos ecosystem by being members of the DAO. Whether it be helping promote, whether it be merchandise, whether it be like, online advertisements or whatever it is. If you're a member of the DAO, if you are a member of, like, maybe even I don't know if that would work. Like, I don't want to say fractionalized NFTs and stuff like that, but you know what I mean? Like, even like, so, like Jacob was saying a good point, and this could even go there too. Like, I don't know where I'm going with this just yet, but it's been something I've been working on. But if you guys don't know, like, the validators of all your favorite IBC protocols that are out there, their actual group name is called IBC Gang. And I would like to also protect them and do something with it for the community. So again, it's just something I've been doing. If you guys are out there, I would really like your guys' input. I would really like your guys' feedback on that. Pylons, Jacob, all of the validators out there that are part of, and relayers as well, that are part of the bigger picture, that actually help move these projects forward, relay them, secure them. I would like to get their input. I really, really, honestly, I reached out even to Sunny. I didn't get anything back. Looking at you, Sunny, because, I was trying to reach out to Osmosis governance or the community over there and seeing if he even wanted to take a project like that on. Or provide feedback or whatnot. Obviously, there's a lot more going on right now, so I'm sure like this is like an afterthought to them. They're not really concerned about it. But I think, like, I'm trying to bring real world use case with the situation that we have and keep it in a positive light for the people. And keep it in that essence. Like, that's what I think is really missing, and one of the big reasons why I actually started this channel. I know I'm going in a rant, guys, but I started this channel to protect the interests of the Cosmos ecosystem, the people therefore within. That's why we're called the IBC Gang, and give back to the people in this community. Again, like I said, I don't ever want anything from you guys. I want to be giving more than I ever receive. That's just the way I am with my life too. I think you get what you put out in your life. And so if I, again, you guys can maybe understand too, spiritually, where I'm going with this. I like to give in all essence, like in every part of my life. But like, so that's kind of what I'm working on. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. Shout outs to Pylon, Jacob, IBC Gang, relayers, validators, NFT artists out there. Hit me up. If you guys are out there, even if you guys are part of communities and you guys go, hey, I like that, let's take this another step forward. technically, I don't know, like, I'm not that level. A lot of stuff flies over my head, but that's what I'm trying to do. Anyway, let's move on, guys. Shout out to Pylons. Go ahead and check out their incentivized drop or incentivized testnet. Another one I want to talk to you guys about. No. Look at all these. Look, we're going to talk about this. You guys, look, we're going to talk about this controversial stuff right here. We're going to talk about it. Nobody's safe from me. I'm unbiased. I'm just here. I'm part of the gang. Nobody's safe from me. I'm just going to go after everybody. I do want to talk to you guys about some bullish things right now. Secret being listed on KuCoin. I bought some Secret earlier. I bought some Secret yesterday. I will keep buying some Secret like I was talking about earlier in the stream. But I'm getting super, super bullish on Secret Network, guys. This is huge. I used to love using KuCoin. Still kind of do. But yeah, if you guys like limit orders and all this other stuff, now you can buy Secret with limit orders and stuff like that out there. Check them out. Do we have anything else? I don't think I have anything else. I know I bored you guys. I'm so sorry. I bored you guys with that rant with what I'm working on. But like, it's all about right now building things for the ecosystem that have real use case, real applicable use case in the real world. And I think that's like something really, really cool that I'm, trying to build upon right now. Ooh, we are breaking down. Guys, why don't you guys tell me in the chat that we are breaking down? Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on. We're on the Bitcoin chart right now. Actually, let's clean this up. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart right now, guys. Why don't you guys tell me that we're breaking down? What's going on? How is it on Secret? How is Secret on KuCoin before Juno? Is it not on JunoSwap? Is it really not on JunoSwap? Is it not? Yeah, it is. What are you talking about? Oh, you talking about... but no, you could get it here. I mean... What you talking about, Willis? Osmo or Rowan accumulation at the moment. Osmo has the thirding happening real soon. Actually, let me bring this up real quick for you guys. Let me bring up the Osmo chart for you guys. Guys, it was loading really fast recently. Don't do it to me now. It's loading slow right now. Come on. Earlier this morning, it was like, phew, which I absolutely love. But I honestly got to say, I think Osmosis right now would probably be the better buy. I'm degenning. I still degen with my Rowan. I got to be honest with you. Even through this down, call it whatever you want to call it. Like, it's been harsh. I'm not going to lie. But Osmosis or Osmo has the thirding happening, and that is, I'm gonna be real. I'm kind of bullish on that right now, guys. Also, like when I look at the Osmosis platform, I've been saying it. Shout outs to Dread. Shout outs to everybody else. And Noah, or should I say? I'm sorry. Blue. Sorry. When I look at Osmosis, like I really do see a platform like BNB. Like I see platforms like that, guys. Like this is just like one. When I look at what it's right now on the platform for Osmosis, like this is just like version 2, and I see like version 20 in the future being something totally different than what we're looking at right now with version 2. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that. So like, I think grabbing some more Osmo right now would probably be a really good play in comparison to say like Rowan right now. Let's actually take a look right now. This is the daily chart. Oops. I don't even want to use this expert chart because it doesn't go all the way back here. If you guys follow me right here, like if we come back down to here, actually, yeah, right here is our next. If we falter any further, this would be right around $1.62. That would be the next place that if you guys haven't bought anymore, you guys are thinking you guys are getting FOMO, maybe start DCAing again. Again, that's just because that's, splitting hairs between previous resistance, and kind of like previous resistance here. Hopefully it turns into support. Again, if we go down below that, $1, realistically, $1.57. I'm sorry, previous support, previous resistance. $1.57 would be, yeah, let's just go by $1.57 to $1.60 would probably be a good next zone to maybe buy into. Then if you get down here, just look at previous tops of candles and bottoms. Again, $1.50 all the way down to about $1.40. If you missed this, like Bren maybe miss it, I'm gonna blame Bren because I was on vacation and he didn't tell me about it. But let's zoom in right here, guys. Let's zoom in right here. If you guys miss this chance to buy it under $1, like I don't know. I just find it really hard that thinking that we're gonna get that again. If you get that though, I would definitely buy that. I would definitely buy that. What's up, Med? I'm shorting Crow out of the ecosystem. Sorry, guys. No, you're fine. Why? Like, if you don't mind me asking, IBC, why are you shorting Crow? Give us your reasons. I have my reasons, but like, give me your reasons. Bren just sold. So your Secret or your Rowan? J2000 says Secret has been around a lot longer than Juno. Yeah, probably a factor when it comes to an exchange picking up a project. There's a lot of factors that come into exchanges listing projects, guys. A lot of them. Financially, stability-wise, incentive-wise. Like, that's what I mean by financial. So, yeah, keep that in mind. But, yeah, those are my levels right now for Osmosis, guys. Like, really, if I'm going to be buying more, which I have a really good bag right now, it'd have to come down to, like, again, to $1 or so for me to actually be really wanting to buy more. But that's just me in my position right now. If I go right here to the 1 hour, again, I'm going to make this a little bit easier for you guys to follow along with. If it comes to these levels right here, sorry, I know I'm covering my mouth here. If it comes to this level right here, probably DCA on that. If it comes to this level right here, I'll probably DCA on that. And it's real simple, right? It's just previous support, resistance, previous support, right? Support. Again, if I could go back even further, but it doesn't do that for some reason. Why doesn't it do that? Come on, Osmos. Like, this is your own token. You should go all the way back. You should be able to compile data and provide something all the way back. But then again, if it goes down even further, guys, I'd be looking for like $1.20 maybe. And then again, like $1 would be like maybe even under $1 because, it went down to like 70 cents. Let's just say maybe you guys get 80 cents. But those right there, that's what I'm looking for Osmosis, for, the major pain. My major buys right there would be right there. First, feeler buy. Second, feeler buy. Serious buy. Real serious buy. Then I'm staking it before the third inning. What's up, Triple Moon? Good morning, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Bear markets are hard, so please do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share it with your friends. Let them know, guys. Adam Burke, Coinbase listing poop coins to inside trade. Yep, that has been proven. They are definitely doing dirt. Let's go into Juno real quickly, guys. Juno was doing pretty well. And I'm still really bullish on Juno as well, guys. Come on, load. Let's do this. Really easy. This is the daily. Again, we're retesting right now our previous lows in the past back here in December before we took off. If you guys haven't bought, you guys think this is a good first DCA, maybe do so. Again, if you guys get down here, again, this would be our previous low. $3.50 would be a good place to buy. Let me show you guys on the expert chart. I know this doesn't go all the way back, but I'll just do it anyway. I have to kind of scrunch it here. So sad that it doesn't really do that. But let me scrunch it right here. Let me scrunch it. I know you guys can't see everything, but I'm telling you guys right now. We're basically right here. If you, wrong one. Right here. Did it again. Stop it. Right here, if you haven't already bought, would probably be a good feeler buy. Then again, guys, in the past, $5.50, good feeler buy. If you guys want down here at, I think below $4 is just a banger of a buy. If you guys get below $4, and then again, since I didn't get it before, if you guys get this $2 price point, again, like, it's a no-brainer. Again, another one that I have enough capital that I will be the whale that we talk about later. Or I'll join the whale pod if it gives me in between here. Seriously, like no joke. And then I'll just hold on for 3 years. And then we'll be back in the next bull run. The next Bitcoin halving would have already happened, and then I'll be laughing all the way to the bank. But those are my levels right there for Juno right there, guys. Place where the Lakers play, looking for new naming rights to the arena, supposedly. Really? Already? Really? Wow. They take forever for adding a legit project. Yeah, I'm kind of just playing about Crow because I don't appreciate a lot of the things they have done recently. But yeah, I know, like what they did with their card holders was no good. Was no good. Crow is terrible. They don't care about their users. Most like you gotta understand, centralized exchanges, mainstream exchanges, like it's a business, right? Like they gotta remain profitable. So like all of them, not just exchanges, but like, well, I guess they're exchange now, but BlockFi, all these people, they're gonna make cuts, just like how we have to make cuts. If we're overstaffed in our businesses that I own, guys, I own medical practices and gym stuff and hold shares there. Like if we need to make cuts because the economy is going in a certain direction, like, hey, we got to do what we got to do. Give me 1 second, guys. It's probably tree people. Hello. Woo, guys, I got to cut this short. Let's go. Let's wrap it up in 5 minutes because I got another delivery of a lot of sand, like tons of sand for our yard. What's up, Cosmos Crypto NFT? But yeah, they're going to make cuts, guys. And like, you know, that's just business. That's just business. So yeah. Let's move. Comdex. Guys, Comdex, I have the team coming on Comdex. The Comdex team, I got 3 of them. Main figures in Comdex. Friday, 10 o'clock. Be here if you can. Be here if you can at 10, guys. Especially, and tomorrow, be here if you guys can. Don't miss that stream as well, guys. Also, on Tuesday, I have them penciled in. Another great one. I want to let you guys know. We have Strange Clan coming. We have Lex from Strange Clan coming. I'm really excited about this, guys. Coming to talk on the show about what they're doing and what their project is doing as well, guys. So I got a lot of people coming on the stream. I'm going to work on getting Jay on the stream. I want to get a couple more other people on the stream. So tomorrow we got Hydro Finance with Secret Network. Friday, wait, no, what's tomorrow? No, Thursday. We have Hydro Finance. Then we have Friday, we have CMDX coming at 10. And then on Tuesday next week, we have Lex from Strange Clan coming on the stream, guys. Please don't miss out. Trying to bring you guys these quality players, these people that, you know, that I'm super excited about, these projects that I'm super about. So yeah, serious, guys. Be on the lookout for it. I'm sorry, I got to cut it short. I got a bunch of people at my house cutting down trees, delivering rocks, sand, all kinds of stuff, guys, you know. I'm sorry. I got to go, though. And then I'm going to go bend some people up. But maybe I'll do a stream when I come back from jiu-jitsu to make up for it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyway, thank you guys for your support. Wholeheartedly appreciate you guys. I know today was more rambling than anything else. Sorry. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Get out of here. Bye. Beat it. Get out of here. I'm going to go. I'm going to beat it now. I'm going to bye-bye. I'm going to go bye-bye once I can figure